Hey everyone, it's SEYCHELLES and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a 3-part series and today is part 1 of me reviving my curls, getting my curly life back together. Over the last couple of months, I have been neglecting my hair. I'm talking skipping on the protein treatments, being real lazy when it comes to deep moisture treatments because I always used to sit under the dryer for 45 minutes. I've been skipping that. I'll just put the deep conditioner in, clean up, rinse my hair out, and my hair doesn't work like that. I need that heat to penetrate the product into my strands. My hair, I can tell, was not properly prepared and in the state to have knotless box braids or any kind of box braids. But I had box braids for over a month, which I'm so proud of myself, and I did it by myself. But I experienced a lot of breakage in the top part of my head, which is so ironic because the top part of my head grows the fastest, the longest, but it's not as curly. In the past, I remember I used to literally just take that chunk and chop it with no type of guide of whatsoever. But right now, I'm like, I want some volume. I want some for cutting, because we're going to dive right into this. I picked up some new cutting shears. Right, I got these from Amazon. I have like the traditional black handle kind, which I think I got them from Sally's, but I was like, it's probably been like 3 years, and I only use them for cutting hair, so it's not like I use it on anything else, but it's been like 3 years. So I said, you know what, let me get some new ones just because, why not? So let's jump into the video. I don't know, but I'm running out of time because I have to go get my baby. So I'm just gonna roll with it, right? That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so I went to go wash my hair. Well, like rinse it, wet it so I could cut it. And then I was just like, this is too much hair to cut, you guys. I can't. I don't know what to do. Okay, I don't know what to do, but I'm going to try to focus on these bangs. So, okay, I'm going to put my comb right here. And where the comb lifts off is how much bangage is going to come out that will naturally sit. So, mine is pretty much like this much. So, we're just going to pull this out. I'm going to come down to the front and just like this, because this front is all broken off. I mean, you can see it. You see, look how that's all just gone, just broken off. So I'm going to pull this back to make sure it is what I want. I don't know. Let me look at that, y'all. Oh, look at all of the goop. We're not gonna worry about the dander. Okay, so I naturally wear a side bang. I naturally goes to this side. So right here, I mean, you can see it's already trying to split. So I am just going to put my part right there. Although I was kind of going for a curtain bang, I normally wear my hair normally, like, to be honest, it really splits right there. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like it really splits like that. So I'm going to take this and move it this way. I know you guys can't even see that, but I'm going to cut. I cut it. All right. And then I want to take this piece. I'm going to do the same thing. I want to come this way. Yeah, that looked about the same. Alright, so now I'm going to part my hair down the middle. And I'm gonna do 2 pigtails. Okay. They look about even. So now that I'm doing this, what I'm going to do is comb it straight up. Because I want to create more layers at the top of my head. Right? So I'm going to use this. Alright. Tail out. So I have it cut and voila. Look at that layer. Perfect. Not too much. I didn't really take anything off the bottom, but I definitely have some of this going on. And look, I have my short layers at the top. All right, so now what I'm going to do is take this, brush it down so I can get my ends. Right? because my ends need some love too. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this side. All right. Okay, so I am done cutting my hair. I'm gonna leave it as is. I don't want to get too scissor happy because now I am going to move on to part 2, which is me coloring my hair. I'm gonna be doing like a dark natural brown, and then we'll move into styling. And once my hair is styled, we'll see if I need to cut off a little bit more, and if you know, if I want to go a little bit shorter, if I want to put a little bit more layers at the top, I can do that, but after my hair is styled, because I don't want to get too scissor happy. But I definitely needed this cut. I needed my hair to be refreshed. And yeah, so far successful. I'm really excited, and I'm glad that I was able to watch a couple of videos by MELL. And I didn't cut that much hair off, you guys. It just seems like I cut off a lot of hair because I have a lot of hair. So you can actually see the thinner pieces is like the damaged hair, and that really dark piece is pretty much from my bangs because it was a lot healthier. So all right, you guys, I'll see you guys in part 2. Thank you for watching me cut my hair as chaotic and anxiety filled it was. I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in part 2.
And now my love for you is so strong.